Hey everybody, this is Daily Dose of 2 Reviews here. Today we're doing an unboxing of the 20 volt lithium ion hex impact driver from Hercules. Okay, this is not new, but for you it might be. And some of you might have never used this. So let's get on with the unboxing. Forgot the knife, sorry guys. Let's see here. Instructions. Comes with a belt clip. Right there. Here it is. It is brushed. So I hope sometime soon in the near future we get a brushless one. Let me read you some of the specifications on this. Here we go. Let's see. 1. 4-pole motor delivers maximum performance and durability in a compact size. 2. Variable speed with 1500 inch-pounds of torque, covers a wide range of fastening applications. 3. All metal gear construction, built to withstand job site abuse. 4. Bright LED light illuminates work area. And 5. 1/4 inch hex chuck for quick bit changes. Specifications here: maximum torque 1500 square inches per pound. Speed 0 to 2800 RPMs. Impacts per minute 0 to 3200. Overall length is 5 3/4 of an inch. Net weight is 3 pounds without the battery. We're going to use a 1-inch Spade Diablo. Let's see what it can do. That's pretty good. One more time. Like butter. All right. And now we're gonna do 2 legs. See how it does. Now this isn't the 4x4, but we'll see the 4x4 when it goes up against the brushless Bauer. I'll do this one, bigger leg. Oh, there you go, guys. That was today's unboxing. So the next video, you guys see the Hercules again. It's going to be up against the Bauer. Alright guys, this was Daily Dose of 2 Reviews. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye.